And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 71. Let me show the handle transform. It's once more a transformation tool that does the same as the perspective or 3D transform, but with a different angle. Let me import an image this time instead of doing it on a rectangle. So this is the IMG in its original aspect ratio. And we've got the handle transform active, and you can left click 4 times now on your canvas or on the image. It can be inside of the image or outside. You can just left click 4 times. Whenever you click, you get a circle, and when you click a 5th time, nothing will happen. And you can now use these circles to transform your image. So basically you can see them as anchor points now. Via transform, you confirm, and reset sets it back. When you place all 4 circles, for example here on a vertical line, you can even create extreme angles, but you will not have much freedom to adjust it. Same goes here for a diagonal line. So the best approach is to place 4 circles on the 4 corners of a rectangle, or when you have an ellipse, then use the bounding box of it. And you can left click drag on these circles to transform it manually. As always, you will have the matrix on top if you need specific values. And if you can't find it at all, Shift L is the shortkey, or go to Tools, Transform Tools, and they should find the handle transform. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.